Have you ever wondered why some people walk into a room and instantly command respect, while others are ignored, interrupted, or taken for granted? The truth is, respect is not given automatically. It is earned through your actions, your standards, and the way you carry yourself. If people constantly ignore you, talk over you, or treat you like an option, this video is for you. Let's find out why people disrespect you, and more importantly, how to make people respect you. Part 1. Why people disrespect you. Most people don't disrespect you because they hate you. They disrespect you because you've unconsciously taught them that it's acceptable. When you always say yes, constantly seek approval, and sacrifice your own needs to make everyone happy, people stop valuing your time and energy. Instead of respecting you, they begin expecting your kindness. If someone insults you, wastes your time, or treats you poorly, and you stay silent every single time, you send a message. You can treat me however you want. People often test boundaries. If there are none, they will continue crossing the line. Many people lack self-respect. How can others respect you if you don't respect yourself? If you constantly break promises to yourself, tolerate toxic behavior, or speak negatively about yourself, your confidence suffers, and people notice. Some people are disrespected because they desperately seek validation. When your happiness depends on others approving of you, you give away your power. Respect begins the moment you stop needing everyone to like you. Part 2. How to actually make people respect you. First, respect yourself first. Keep promises you make to yourself. Take care of your health. Improve your skills. Stand by your values. When you treat yourself with dignity, others naturally begin doing the same. Second, set clear boundaries. Learn to say no without guilt. You don't need to explain yourself endlessly. A simple no is enough. People may not like your boundaries, but they will respect them. Third, stop seeking approval. Not everyone will like you, and that's perfectly fine. Strong people are willing to be misunderstood rather than betray themselves to fit in. Fourth, speak less, but speak with confidence. Avoid speaking too fast, apologizing unnecessarily, or constantly doubting yourself. Look people in the eye. Speak clearly. Mean what you say. Confidence isn't about being loud, it's about being certain. And finally, walk away from disrespect. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. If someone repeatedly disrespects you despite your boundaries, distance yourself. Your presence is valuable. Don't waste it where it isn't appreciated. Remember, respect isn't something you beg for. It's something you build through self-respect, boundaries, confidence, and standards. The moment you start respecting yourself, the world begins to notice, because people treat you the way you allow them to treat you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and start becoming the person who commands respect without saying a word.